Hello there, welcome to another easy recipe from Mia's Yummy World. Today we are making a light, super soft sponge cake, which is perfect to have with tea or for a last minute birthday cake. We just need a handful of ingredients, and from start to finish, this cake can be made ready in under 20 minutes at the max. It's so soft and fluffy. I'll show you. See how soft it is. It just melts in your mouth and it's such a joy to eat. Now let's quickly look at the recipe. In a large bowl, cream together 1/4 cup of oil or melted unsalted butter and half a cup of fine granulated sugar. Mix this together so that the sugar just starts to dissolve in the oil. And to this, add 1/4 cup of plain yogurt at room temperature. Combine gently and add 3/4 cup of milk, again at room temperature. Please ensure that the milk and yogurt is both at room temperature. The sugar has now fully dissolved into the bowl. Now add 1.5 cups of plain flour, and it's always good to sieve the flour before adding it to the wet ingredients. I'm also adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract to give that special vanilla taste. And everything into a smooth, glossy batter with a spatula. By the way, if you're new to my channel, hello my friend, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell icon as I post delicious, quick and easy video recipes or family holiday vlogs every week. If you have seen this channel before, thank you so much for coming back, and I hope you'll like this video too. Now our perfect smooth batter is ready. Transfer it into a microwave safe bowl. I'm using a glass bowl, a little bit tall glass bowl, which is lined and greased. Make sure the sides and the bottom of this pan is well greased with butter. Now my microwave is 1000 watts, and it took me just 5 minutes to perfectly cook this cake. Depending on your microwave, it can take anywhere between 5 and 8 minutes, but not long. Now precisely after 5 minutes, my cake is ready. I'm going to take it out of the microwave and put it on the kitchen top to fully cool. It may take about 5 to 10 minutes for the cake to cool down. And when it's fully cooled to room temperature, run a knife along the edges of the cake and carefully remove it from the mold. Can you see how soft and fluffy this cake already is? But to make it even better, I'm now going to make a frosting for the cake. A very simple and easy frosting. I'm taking 200 grams of soft cream cheese into a bowl, and I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons depending on your sugar level preferences. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of icing sugar and whisk the both together until soft, stiff peaks. This is a really delicious frosting. It's normally used for red velvet cakes, but this is perfect for our fluffy vanilla sponge cake as well. It tastes so good and it's really super quick to make. That's it, our frosting is ready. It's a no-fuss, simple cake, the simplest cake you can make, and I'm not going to bother about cutting the cake into different layers and putting the frosting on each layer. I'm just going to cover the entire cake very thickly with our beautiful, simple, delicious frosting. This is such a nice and simple cake. I promise you, it is so soft and tasty. It's a beautiful white cake, and I really want you to see how soft and fluffy this cake is. Can you see the different flaky layers of the cake? It is just so delicious. It melts in your mouth and it's so simple to make. Put some candles on the top and your perfect last minute birthday cake is ready. Hope you like this soft, delicious, creamy vanilla birthday cake. Do give it a try. I'm sure you'll love it. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't already, please do hit subscribe for more. Keep safe and see you very soon. Bye for now.